Would you like to learn how to make some super yummy beef and broccoli? Just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
Let's get started by making us a little seasoning concoction for the beef. I'm going to mix a little cornstarch, baking soda, and soy sauce together. The baking soda helps to tenderize the meat. And you know the cornstarch is for thickening. The exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. We don't need to add too much seasoning here because we're going to continue to add on layers of flavor later. But I do want to add in a little bit of sesame oil here before putting it aside and working on the broccoli. Oh, and I am using stew meat for my beef. But typically flanking steak is used for beef and broccoli. But I went with what I had up in my freezer, okay? I just cut the meat up into thinly sliced pieces. Now I'm just gonna blanch my broccoli. I'm just gonna let it boil for 1 minute and then put it in an ice bath. This process is gonna help the broccoli to stay nice and green and vibrant. And also cut down on the cooking time when we add it to the beef. But dry the broccoli off with some paper towels because we don't want to put no wet broccoli up in a hot greasy pan, okay? Now let's make a stir-fry sauce by mixing some oyster sauce with some mirin. Mirin is a Japanese rice wine, which I'm probably pronouncing incorrectly, but it's gonna add depth and a hint of sweetness to our beef and broccoli. I'm also adding some chicken bouillon powder and a pinch of white pepper, as well as some garlic paste and some ginger paste and a little water to thin it out so everything can mix well. I put the water in that empty oyster sauce bottle. Now I'm gonna give the sauce a good mix and get everything all nice and well combined. Now let's get to cooking. I have my wok on high heat with some avocado oil in it. And I'm going in with the whites of a green onion and some garlic. I'm just adding flavor to the oil that the beef is gonna fry in. And now I'm gonna add in my beef and try to get a nice sear on it. Pressing down on the meat, trying to make sure that it makes surface contact. I'm letting the beef fry about 3 minutes per side. It doesn't have to be fully cooked here because we're gonna remove it and then add it back in later. So now I removed the beef from the wok, reduced the fire to medium, and added in some more oil. And now I'm gonna go in with some onions, any kind of onions will do, and some red bell peppers, and my broccoli as well. Mixy, mixy. Once I've gotten the veggies all mixed up, then I'm going to add back in the beef. Now I'm gonna stir those veggies all up together with the beef, just like so. And after that, I'm gonna add in that stir-fry sauce. And stir, stir, stir some more. My next ingredient is MSG. Don't judge me, just use it sparingly. That's all I can say, child. I'm gonna let it cook for about another 10 minutes. The sauce will thicken up and it'll get all yummified. And then I like to finish my beef and broccoli off with a drizzle of sesame oil and a dusting of scallions. And then after that, it's done.
Lisa D Delight. Got noises in my stomach, so I guess I'm feeling hungry. I click that YouTube Lisa D so I can kill this rumbling. But when I'm in the kitchen, don't know what I'm doing, stumbling. This time I try to cook, I burn it all up with some rumbling. Lisa, help me.
Chinese takeout, who? Child, you better make it at home. It tastes way better and it's way better for you. I hope you try and like the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
It's so good. Make sure you like and subscribe. It's so good. Make sure you like and subscribe. And you make it so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.